After about 2 years of doing this YouTube thing, I think it's finally time to do a little update video and talk to you guys about what is going on here, what our future plans are, and just to give you guys a huge thank you for being so freaking supportive all this time. Now, originally I planned this to be my 100,000 subscriber video, but there was so much going on at the time and I kept moving it a lot until, well, pretty much now. So I guess we could just call it the 135K celebration instead because, you know, why not? Now first, I thought to just mix in some general Q&A videos or do some questions about some specific hardware topic or just do little competitions or little giveaways together. So keep an eye on the community tab for more updates on that. And if you guys have any more ideas on what would you like to see, please let me know in the comments down below. Following that, I also want to announce the launch of our brand new Discord server. Now, we already had a Dutch-speaking one that you might have seen before, and it has a very special spot in my heart, but it turned out to be actually really difficult to keep all the English channels, well, English. So come hang out, have fun with us, and ask some good questions for the upcoming Q&A. I will leave the link in the description as well. And for those of you that actually do speak that silly language called Dutch, I will leave a link for the Dutch server too, because you are welcome to join both. And lastly, I also wanted to mention the launch of our Patreon page. So you really don't have to do it, but if any of you do feel like you want to support the channel even more, so we can produce more content and add more quality to it, that would be greatly appreciated. So everything from Patreon will actually go right back into this channel, either to improve the testing hardware and video equipment, or to purchase products that you guys want me to review, but I cannot get a sample of. So again, it is completely not necessary, but it would help a lot. Now, since the single most common question on my channel is what PC I have behind me, no matter what the review topic is there a better way to show my appreciation to you than to actually give away a PC just like mine, or actually even better than mine? And with a bit of help from the awesome guys and girls over at Cooler Master, over at Gigabyte and Intel, I will be able to give not just a whole gaming PC away, but also a gaming monitor and a set of gaming peripherals. And yes, this will be a global giveaway, so everybody can enter. The case is the first thing that catches everyone's eye on my channel. It is the famous Cooler Master Cosmos C700M, which is a pretty huge, extremely heavy and over-the-top PC tower that's just incredibly well built. Inside I have a Gigabyte Z490 Pro AX motherboard with a 10-core i9 10900KF processor jammed in there. Now, to keep it all nice and cool, I have the Master Liquid ML360P Silver Edition all-in-one cooler, and of course 32 gigabytes of Aorus RGB memory. To power the system, I used an 850 watt Cooler Master V-Series power supply. And that kind of brings me to the GPU, which I kinda changed my mind about. Now, initially, it was supposed to be the same flashy Aorus Extreme like I have in my PC, but a 2070 Super instead of the 2080 Ti. But since it took so freaking long to get this video going, the new RTX cards came out, and I thought it would be so much more awesome if I gave away an RTX 3080 instead, because obviously 2070 Super is just not good enough anymore. Now, I still kinda, sorta have to inform Gigabyte that they won't be getting their card back, but we'll just cross that bridge when we get to it. You guys just deserve the very best, and that's what we're gonna do. Now, I also have this 32-inch Quad HD 165Hz gaming monitor from Gigabyte, the G32QC, and a full set of peripherals from Cooler Master, including a mechanical keyboard, a wireless gaming headset, my personal favorite ultralight mouse, the MM711, and an extra large mouse mat. Now, at the start, the idea was to give away this whole setup to one single person, but I just think it would be so much better if we split it up and give away the PC, the monitor, and the peripherals separately to 3 super lucky winners instead. So let's talk about how you can sign up for this. First, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, so if you're not, go ahead and press that button down below. Make sure you give this video a like and do leave a comment with hashtag Techtesters135K under it. After that, just sign up using the link in the description down below, and that's pretty much it. The winner will receive an email and will be announced on the community tab of my channel as well as on my socials, and the only thing you have to do after is, send me a picture of your prize when it arrives. Because if this giveaway goes well, we will be able to do even more and even bigger ones in the future. To make it even more clear, I will put a full explanation in the description of the video, as well as a couple of rules that you guys should probably read before entering. So I guess all there is left to say is good luck everyone, and thank you all so much one more time. Your support means the world to me. Bye and see you in the next one.